Hey guys, this is Sony HT-A2000 soundbar, 3.1 channel soundbar with Dolby Atmos DTS. This is Sony soundbar with S-Force vertical surround engine, experience immersive surround sound. This soundbar, you can hook it up to your TV via optical cable, HDMI cable and Bluetooth. This soundbar is currently connected to my mobile device via Bluetooth. And this is the audio. Now what I want to do is to show you how to hook this soundbar up to your TV via optical cable. This is what I want us to do. And to do this, first of all, we need to switch off the soundbar. Okay, now what I want to do is to show you how to hook this up to your TV. Okay, so first of all, unplug the soundbar off. And this is the optical cable. Optical cable is not included in the packaging. Use the optical cable, go in to optical cable. You can see optical and HDMI, so use the optical cable, go in. Okay, the optical cable is inside. Now we need to put this end to the back of the TV. I'm going to use LG TV, so you can connect this soundbar with any particular TV you have. Okay, currently I want to connect it with LG TV. And this end of optical cable will go into optical digital in. And this, so it goes in here, the other cable goes in. Okay, so it goes into optical digital in. So you have HDMI. This is good. Make sure it goes into optical in. Now we need to connect the TV to the power and also connect the TV antenna. Okay, now what we need to do is also we need to make sure the soundbar is plugged in to the socket. Now switch the soundbar on. So when you switch the soundbar on, then it's showing us weight here. Then after you change it, to use the input to change it to TV. Okay, use the input. Once it's ready, then use the input to change it to the TV. Okay, now we need to select. You can see it's showing us BT. Okay, use the input to select. So now change it from BT to TV. Okay, so now it is in TV. The next thing we need to do is we need to switch the TV on. Now the next thing to do is you need to go to the TV settings, scroll down to the sound. It's showing us TV speaker. I don't want to increase the volume due to copyright issue. Okay, so it's showing us TV speaker. Now you need to select the TV speaker. Select on it. Now use the side button to go to optical. This is optical device out. Select on it. This is the audio. Okay, so just gonna move this. I don't want to leave it in one place, but this is showing us now optical out. Okay, so this is the audio. Now when it's in optical, then you need to use the soundbar remote to increase the volume. So what I want to show you now is to hook this up using HDMI cable. And to do this, what you need to do is, first of all, we need to unplug the soundbar off. Okay, and take the HDMI cable and go in to HDMI port. Push it inside, it's in. And this end needs to go to the back of the TV. Now, then plug in the soundbar. Okay, and unplug the TV. So take this end to HDMI to eARC. So you go into HDMI into eARC, push it inside. Okay. Now plug in TV antenna. Now plug in the TV on. Okay. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to switch on the soundbar and TV. Okay, you can see the soundbar is on. It's showing us please wait. Now switch the TV on. Okay. So now the next thing to do is, you can see, if you go to the TV setting, we need to make sure wait for the soundbar to be ready. Show you please wait. Information goes off. Once the information goes off, then you will see TV. You need to put this to TV mode. If you are using optical or using HDMI, so you need to make sure it's in TV. If it's not in TV, then the next will be in Bluetooth, which is BT. Okay, and the information is gone, so you need to use the input. Now it's in TV, so this is the audio, and this soundbar now is in HDMI. If you want to know if this information is correct, what you need to do is you need to go to the TV, go to your TV settings. This is the audios. Okay, but go to your TV setting, then scroll down to the sound. You can see it's showing us HDMI ARC device. Okay, so this is how to hook this up. It's currently in HDMI ARC. What I want to show you is how to hook this up to TV via Bluetooth. So basically this soundbar is currently connected via HDMI, and once it's HDMI, we'll show you TV here. So what we want to do is we need to unplug the HDMI cable and connect this soundbar to TV. So I'm going to switch the TV off, okay, and also the soundbar off. Okay, so switch the soundbar off. Now the next thing to do is we need to remove the HDMI ARC cable. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is we need to switch the TV back on and also switch the soundbar on. Soundbar is currently on TV mode, so we need to use the input to select BT, and this is BT, and once it's in BT, you will see this blue flashing light looking for available device. Okay, so once you select BT, then you need to switch TV on, and you can see it's showing us pairing. Okay, once you select BT, it will be highlighting and also showing us pairing. So we need to look for device, Bluetooth device available. So go to your TV settings. Okay, once you go to TV settings, scroll down to the sound. Scroll down, use the down button to scroll down. You can see it's showing us sound is TV speaker. You need to select on it, select the TV speaker, then you need to use the side button to scroll to the Bluetooth, and you can see Bluetooth. Now use the down button, okay, to go to Bluetooth device and select enter and search for available Bluetooth. Okay, it's currently searching for available Bluetooth. Now what it's doing now is looking for available Bluetooth, and it found HT-A2000. So you need to select on it. So use the TV remote and select enter. Okay, and this is connecting. It's connected. So now, and once it's in Bluetooth, okay, you use the remote control to increase the volume. You can use the remote control for the TV and also use the remote control for the soundbar, okay, to increase the volume.
To the British people that I will not vote for or support any new taxes that increase the overall tax burden. So does that mean if there are any increases in taxation in the autumn statement, they're going to vote against it?
So once it's in Bluetooth, you should be able to control the volume using the two remotes. This remote control is for the soundbar and this remote control is for the TV. So basically what we have done is just to recap, switch the soundbar on and use the input to select BT. Once you select BT, it will be in pairing mode. Now you switch the TV on use the remote control setting. Go to your TV remote control setting. You will see the setting is like a gear. Okay, you select the gear button. Once you select the gear button, then you see these settings here from the TV. Now use the down button, okay, arrow. You can see up and down arrows button. So use the down button, okay, to scroll down to sound out. And now it's in Bluetooth device. Please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. This is a nice soundbar that deserves your attention. This is the audio. So thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed.